Hi, today in front of me ZTE AXON 20 and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. So first let's open the settings and then tap to the home screen and lock screen section, then tap to wallpapers, click to allow, and here you'll see all of the default wallpapers. Also you can use photos from the gallery. For example, let's use this wallpaper. Click set as and tap set as a lock screen. We can see the message that this wallpaper applied successfully, so let's check, and we can see that we just successfully changed our lock screen wallpaper. Also, we can make it by another way. Just first hold for a while empty space on your home screen, and then on the left down corner tap to wallpaper icon, click to allow, and by the same way select here one from these default wallpapers or photo from your device gallery. For example, I'll use this photo. Okay, once again, wallpaper, photos. So, okay, by this way you will change only the home screen wallpaper. So, only one way: the settings, the home screen and lock screen wallpapers, and one from those available wallpapers, lock screen, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.